Hello guys, today is Sunday, September 24, 2023, one of my few last days here in Dubai. I'm with the best city tour guide, the only one, Juliana. She's the one that has been showing me around everywhere. She is A+. If you guys want to know more about Dubai, contact this lady. I'm gonna put her information just below. All right, and I'm in this right next to this amazing, beautiful hotel, and the name of it is The Address, downtown. Gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and walk a little bit more, and of course we can see another great cars. Now I'm actually going to check what type of tag this car has, because the lower the number, the more expensive it is. So let's see. Okay, so this car right here, it is a Lamborghini SUV, and the Lamborghini SUV has the tag of, number of the tag, I don't think it's one. It has a specialty tag. But I'm just walking around the Dubai Mall, and we're going to go across right here. Go across. And we are going to go to the Edition Hotel. Let's see. Right here, the Edition Hotel. Let's see what we see there. Still, right behind me you can see the Dubai Mall. It is finally 5:09 p.m. and the heat is coming down. It's still hot, but it's pretty hot still. All right, let me go ahead and go into the hotel, and I'll come back and record more. So to continue the video, now I'm at the Dubai Mall, but I'm on the outside aspect of the Dubai Mall, and here's where you can see the water fountains outside with beautiful music and great show. It's 100% recommended. So let's go ahead and wait for my cousin. Okay. So let's go ahead and go this way. And right behind me, you can see the Burj Khalifa. You can see that right behind me, which is an amazing structure. You have to see it, like, personally to be able to like enjoy and actually see how massive of a structure it is. That's this. You just have to see it. You have to completely see it. All right, and the other great thing is that this sunset is about to happen. So the golden hour is happening right now, so you can see better colors. I'm gonna stop right on the front, take some pictures so you guys can see the whole thing. Let's wait for my cousin. You know what? I'm a little bit confused here. I thought you were supposed to be the one showing me the city around, but I'm actually showing you the city. I really don't get it here. I'm a little bit confused. But anyways.
You are the expert.
Yeah, no, this is what happens. The student surpasses the teacher. That's what happens here. Story of my life. Okay. Let's go right here. But let me turn the camera around so you guys can see. So this is the Apple store right there. I'm gonna go ahead and keep walking this way so you guys can see the massive amount of people here. Just massive. We can go this way. And of course, Burj Khalifa, sun setting. All right, guys, I came to the other side of the Dubai Mall, and I had to cross that big walkway right here, but there's more walkway on the other side as well. But look at this massive structure. It's just massive. You can see the Burj Khalifa right there. I love this building. Then you guys can see more this way. It's just massive structure. It's unbelievable. How in the world was this done? This just proves that all you need is a vision. All you need is a vision. And with that vision, no matter what people are going to tell you, no, you can do it, no, you can do this, no, you can do that. A lot of people have told me, no, you can't do this and that. But with the vision of someone, look at all the massive structure that they have created. It's just massive. That's why it's all you need is the vision. Keep following the vision, and it's just so amazing.